Well, we've been doing shows in Mumbai, and then we started doing shows in the southern part of India. We are very happy to be in this city, Karnataka, Bangalore, and this is the 9th edition of the OSH South India Expo. And as I said earlier, we are here to stay. So we will be doing this event here for the next couple of years. As far as this expo is concerned, we have 90 plus exhibitors from across the world, 200 different brands. They are showcasing the best of the safety products, that includes products like PPE, which is personal protection equipment, safety shoes, safety helmets, safety gloves, ergonomics product, artificial intelligence related product. So the entire, fall arrest. So the entire range of safety products is being showcased in this exhibition, and we are expecting more than 4,000 trade visitors to come and attend this event. So that's what the exhibition is all about.
Something about advanced safety measures.
So, see, the safety measures have to be implemented by the factories, the companies who are manufacturing in the state of Karnataka. Our job is to educate them through the exhibition, through the conference. Our job is to ensure that we get them the best of the equipments from across the world, right? So the more and more they come, they will get to see the best of the product, and then depending on the need of the company and that particular organization, they will deploy whatever they want to deploy in their own company.
For the safety issue of all workers and factories. So I think this today's exhibition and seminar will be very good for the heavy and all industries in Karnataka and across the South India also. So I think all the industries, all the manufacturers, all the exhibitors will get good benefit out of it. And I hope that with this type of events, the number of accidents or hazards will come down in all of Karnataka and across the South India. So I think it's a good opportunity, and I request all the media friends to advertise maximum excellence so that all the people across the industry and the factories, they can come here and get benefit through the Info Markets, this program. And I wish all success to this program, all the best. Thank you.
Sir.